Guys, welcome back to another one of Yonke's vlogs. Today we are at a truck meet. I haven't posted one of these. The weather is getting nice outside, guys. I did come with my whole Yonke squad and it's about to be lit. So we are about to enter the park and it looks like there's a lot of people here already. So let's get to it. Like it's barely starting. It's not too many. Okay guys, so we did roll in pretty deep. We are going to be the majority of the people here for now, but just give it a little bit of time and more people will start showing up for sure. Okay guys, so we just want you to see what the hell. Show them again. Place is so ghetto, they have to lock the soap up. Come on, bro. Y'all need to take care of our bathrooms out here. These public bathrooms, come on. Stuff was clean with it. We pulled up better though. Yonke squad pulling up clean. That shit is sick, bro. Alright guys, so people did start getting here. It's getting pretty packed now actually. See guys, we did come to the gas station to get some, drinks and stuff because we've been at the meet for a while. But as we were leaving, guys, we did see some cop roll up, so I will record a little bit of it when we're getting there. But if people keep burning out and stuff like that, then it's gonna suck because they're gonna kick us out and then we're gonna have to find something else to do. So we'll see what's good, and we're heading back right now, so I'll catch you over there. Okay guys, so this is the end of my Sunday. We are still with the whole squad. The meet is over, guys, but we did come to eat at Wingstop. What? We did come to Wingstop, so we're about to eat and then we're probably gonna go home and rest up for work tomorrow.
Julio con la clica pica en el avión se subió. Hace un año quemando cuentitos y en ese momento atizando un gallito. Tres amigos eran de confianza. Fuimos yo, mi hermano y el lacra que nos traicionaba.
Okay guys, so it has been cloudy all day. It's supposed to rain all day today, but I guess it's not raining, so they lied, but it's all good. My day is almost over here. I think it is raining over there towards where I live, so I have to see what it's like right now when I get out. But if it is raining, I will show you guys, so stay tuned for that. As you guys can see, it's raining hella hard, bro. I'm on the highway right now. Damn, no cap, no se mira nada. This is kind of sketchy. I'm so glad I didn't bring my truck today, guys. That shit would have sucked. Oh shit. Well, then we got dudes like this fucking guy right here. Slow the fuck down, bro. You see it's fucking raining. Stupid mother. Just kidding. Nah, but for real, drivers like that need to calm down. I don't know if you guys can see the cars behind me. Wild in right now. It's raining super hard. Alright, I'm gonna switch to this lane. Dang, it's like
You guys can't even see, bro. Like, there's so much water right now. Like, we're almost at the end of the freaking cloud, though. Don't worry. Don't worry. Damn, these cars just crashed. Pero, damn. See, guys, that's why you shouldn't be smashing. Like, that shit's scary, bro. Why do you need to go so... Turn that off. Okay. Like, why do you need to be going so fast for? Like, dude, it's raining. You can't barely see. Like, I don't know why people think it's just okay. Like, that car got into an accident. He probably spun out, or someone hit him, you know, and made him spin out. People just like going fast for no reason, guys. Stay safe out there. It's getting sketchy.